Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Knowledge and Skills Academy. Today, I'll be talking about the shortcuts on how to subtract a fraction from whole numbers. How to subtract a fraction from whole numbers. So, I will start with 1. So, assuming I have a whole, I'll start from the whole numbers, that is 1. Assuming I have 1 minus 4 out of 5. You know, the methodology is that somebody will say this is out of 1. Then we are going to find LCM. And the LCM is 5. And the person will say that, okay, 1 divide 5 will give us 5 times 1, that is giving us 5. Minus 5 divide 5 is giving us 1 times 4 give us 4. So the answer is equal to 1 out of 5. But actually, there is a shortcut for it. The shortcut is that so far as I am subtracting a fraction from 1, so 1 minus 4 out of 5. The whole thing is 1. And I'm taking this fraction, that is 4 out of 5 from it. So what I will do is that I will just ask myself, what number will I add to the numerator here to make it the same as the denominator? Now, looking at the numerator here is what 4 and the denominator is 5. So I'll add 1 to 4 to make it 5. So the answer is 1 out of 5. Now, let's look at another example. So example 1, let's look at example 2. Assuming I have 1 minus 7 out of 10. So far as it is 1 that I am subtracting the fraction from, I will just ask myself, what number will I add to the numerator, which is 7, to make it as the denominator, which is 10? And that is 3 out of 7. Out of 10 rather. Out of 10. That's my answer. 3 out of 10. Alright, let's look at another example. So assuming I have example 3, I have 1 minus 25 out of 75. Alright, somebody said this is too big, but there is a shortcut for it. So far as I am subtracting from 1, I'll ask myself, what number will I add to the numerator, which is 25, to make it 75? And that number is 50. Then out of the denominator, 75. But when you see this fraction, it can be simplified. So don't forget to leave your answer in the simplest form. So this will be 25 can divide 50 2 times, and 25 will divide 75 3 times. So my final answer is 2 out of 3. So you can try the rest. So this one, for example 4, if I have 1 minus, let's say 8 out of 19, let me do this one for you again. It will give me what number will I add to 8 to make it 19, and that number is 11, so it becomes 11 out of 19. So you can do the rest. Let me give you 2 more. So I have example 5, 1 minus, let's say 9 out of 20. Alright, so do this one. Don't forget to like, share, and then if you have any suggestion, any comments, put it in the comment section. Expect more, expect more, expect more. This is so easy.